I do have a $100 coupon. Where they do that at? Here.
Cause I heard it's the bomb. So you got it going on.
Oh yeah, take it down. Girl, I must warn you.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by RPGSHOW. They sent me the shoes to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay. Your girl got her Wawa today because listen, it is hot outside. And it's not because of the hair, because I look hot, okay? It's because of that heat outside. It's burning me up, child. But you know, we still gonna look good. But anyway, before I show you guys how I got this beginner-friendly, high-quality wig install to look like this, to look like it's mine. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from RPGSHOW. All the specs of my unit as well as the products that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check it out, you can. Now, however you say espresso or caramel, that's how you say it, okay? But espresso brown caramel highlight wig. Y'all see how she sitting on my skin? Yeah, okay, I'm hoping it's not too matchy-matchy. I'm hoping these highlights kind of, you know, pop out a little bit more. I'm gonna tell you right now, she's silky. So if you are not a fan of silky wigs, try something else. They have some more textures on their website, okay? This wig is pretty long. This is 20 inches, and I'm pretty sure they measure their 20 inches by the strand. It's not given the top to the bottom situation. We got some bundles going on. This is 180% density. It does come in 2 cap sizes, so size 1 and 2. I'm pretty sure they sent me 2 because they know my head is big, but you know, if they didn't, then you know, we're gonna make the size 1 work as well. It does come with a 10x6 Maxipart, which is a closure, so that means it's 10 inches across the front from side to side. So it's not gonna come all the way down on my ears, which is normally that 13 inches across the front. Okay, so 10 inches across the front, you're pretty much getting a little bit of side coverage, so nothing bad, and 6 inches of lace to the back. So that middle part will be 6 inches to the back. So you get a good amount of parting space in there. Whether you want to do a center part, a side part, a zigzag part, crossover, flip over, whatever you want to do, you can do it. I feel like my voice is real deep this morning. I mean, it is early. What's going on? It does have the removable combs and elastic band, as well as a drawstring in the back, which was kind of surprising because I did not know that was on there. So, you know, thank you. I'm all for extra security. The lace on here is pretty short, so you can just cut that off. However, they do have the pre-cut option for an extra $5. So if you want to spend a little bit extra coin on top of what you're already spending, you can do that. Now, before I install this wig and before you get to clicking, understand RPGSHOW is expensive. Okay, they are high quality and expensive. Not only will you pay that high quality price point, you will have that high quality maintenance. So do not think that you're gonna get these wigs from these high quality brands and you're just gonna pop it on your head and just wear and wear and wear and wear and wear her out with no work. It ain't gonna happen, Captain. So make sure you understand that before you click buy. Now that we ain't got that out the way, let's go ahead and put this wig on. Do I need to tint my lace? I mean, maybe a little bit. It does come with the tinted transparent Swiss lace, and I'm pretty sure it's like a light brown, medium brown tinted Swiss lace. It also has the invisible knots in there, so you shouldn't see a lot of knot work. I'm gonna put the wig on and see how the hairline is looking, but first let me go ahead and tint my lace. I'm gonna use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Milk Chocolate to do that just around the edge. Hopefully I can wear this wig glueless. We about to see. With all this, you know, security you got on here, we might be able to. Okay, I need to tighten down my band because I can tell it's already a little bit too flimsy. It's giving me bacon band and I don't like that. I am gonna take out my combs on the side because y'all know I ain't using those. I'm not gonna cut my lace off yet. I'm gonna wait till I get it on my head. I do need to verify what size this cap is. I mean, it's fitting down whatever size it is. Like, it's pulling down and it's not like too tight or anything, so that's obviously good. This is what the hairline is looking like. Okay, I feel like it should be a little bit more plucked. Maybe it's just because there's not any baby hairs on it. Maybe that's why I'm feeling that way. It could be a little bit more plucked in the front. It's not like really gradual in there, if that makes any sense. Like, I could thin it out a little bit more. We'll see. Let me just work on what I have first before I start customizing anything. Let me get this little side tab off. It's not really an ear tab because it's not coming all the way down to my ear. So you're not getting full frontal coverage. That is a 13-inch frontal, okay? This is a 10. So please understand that before you start clicking and complaining, okay? I think I can use the hairline as it is and just kind of make some shorter pieces around the front, like some wispy pieces. Let me get some, where is it? Some wax, because this hairline keeps falling in my face. Where's my wax stick? Who the heck been in here? Who the hell left the gate open? Is that a... Let me use this one. Okay, this, I'm pretty sure they friends too. Let me get back. I am going to still tighten down that drawstring because I feel like it'll give it a little bit more closure in the back, like against my nape. So I'm gonna use that. See how it's kind of like lifting out? I'm just gonna pull it out, tighten it down. Oh yeah, that worked. Yes, you can break these, so be careful. So now it's snug on my nape. Y'all know my head is big, okay? 23 gang gang. So I'm showing you guys how a smaller cap or a closure hairline can work for me. That's lace right there, okay? Still lace. It's coming down like so. That actually could be real cute. Y'all see that? Already, she is crooked. Let me turn on my hot comb here. For now, I'm gonna have it back off my head, or off my face rather. Pull it back like that, just like this. My brush is kind of stiff, child. Goodness. I want this off of my face. Brush it back, way back. The hair is gonna be down in the front, so I'm not worried about my sides right now. I can focus on that if I decide to pull the hair back. I can pull out a little bit of hair right here, just to open it up just a smidge. Then I'm gonna cut off a little bit of lace, a little bit more mousse right here. Just my Nairobi mousse. Is something burning? Smooth it down. They did send me a band. And I'm gonna wrap it down. It took a little work just for my specifications, okay? You don't gotta do none of that. You can literally pop this wig on your head, straighten her out, and go. It doesn't come with a strong chemical smell. These wigs normally come washed, but if you wanna add a little bit of, you know, hair perfume, like I'm about to do, you can definitely do that. Just to, you know, make sure she's smelling good. I'm a little extra sometimes. Again, she's silky, so I wanna make sure I press her real nice. I feel like this may be too hot. Let me put on a third one. Press it out. Press it out. I gotta run a lot of errands today, so I gotta head to the store. This TYMO is so good. Smooth. Do I wish this was a textured unit? Of course, okay? Because that's giving me a natural look for me. But it's cool, I'm still gonna rock it because I know some of y'all love a silky wig. There are some filler hairs up here, so make sure you're mindful of that. Use your wax stick on there to lay that down, and then brush it because I don't want it to be super shiny. Get that down. Smooth, looking better. Make sure my back is right, how I want her. They already cut the layers for me, so I don't gotta do that. Take a little bit of my Sleek and Shine. I don't wanna use too much because I don't want the hair to be super shiny because it's already silky. So 2 small pumps. I'm gonna rub this in real good in my hands. I'm just gonna work it through the hair like this. Again, I don't want it to be super shiny because the hair is already silky, so it's already giving off sort of a luster. Just brush it out and give it a slight bump on the end. Okay, let's take my brush and just brush it down. I don't want it to be like super, like, you know, tight. Take a little bit of my hairspray. Let it fall like that to lay down any excess flyaways. Okay, let's take off the band. Ah, it always gets my nape. Ooh. Ooh. Let's put my glasses on. And blend the rest of my makeup. I'm gonna put a little spray right here. You don't have to do this. I'm doing this because of the fit of the cap on me. Even though you can wear this wig glueless and they have the security to wear it glueless, I'm gonna make sure mine is secure for me. Spray it right here on the part. I don't want no extra slippage on my wig. And on the website, they kind of have the hair pushed back and then kind of flowed down, which, you know, is cute. If I push back the hairline like this, you can see it a little bit more. And it does look pretty good like that. Like it doesn't look bad at all. Again, only have a little bit of spray right here. The rest of this is glueless. I don't want my hair to be too perfect. I want it to kind of look like, you know, this is me. Use my little front pieces here to break it up. I'm just gonna cut these little front pieces a little bit shorter, not by too much, because I don't want it to be too like baby hairish. I want it to be kind of like wispy, like a wispy edge, if that makes sense. So kind of like right up to my glasses. And then I'll just take my hairspray, try to anyway, and hold it down right here in the front. Let me take my glasses off so I don't mess that up. Just use it like that to hold those hairs to the side. Put my glasses back on. I don't want it to look like too put together. That's not the vibe that I'm going for. Because of the density of the unit and the silkiness of the hair, I need my hair to look a little bit fuller, and this is how I will do that. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. This is definitely giving me like, dare I say Valley Girl? I didn't want it to be the swooped edges. I wanted it to just look very natural, like this is my hair. Even though the hairline is not super pre-plucked, what they give you is pretty much just right for you to do a hairline like this. If you plan on doing more of a swooped edge, I would do a little bit more plucking around this area, just to kind of open that up so it's not so like blocky when you do the swoop. Because I kept mine pretty wispy in here, it works really well because I'm able to bring some of the hair down from here, which makes it a little bit more broken up. Does that make sense? It definitely gives me a more of a, excuse me. I am digging the dark root into the color. It definitely helps it blend to my skin tone. Even though RPGSHOW is known for their color jobs, I do feel like a color like this is not gonna be the same for everyone. My color looks a little bit more choppy than the picture on the website. Not choppy, I'm sorry, I don't wanna say choppy. The highlights are a little bit more chunkier, so the placement of them is not blending as well as the picture on the website. But when all the hair is down, you don't see it as much. Don't just give me the top, give me all the way through for that price point. Now, speaking of that price point, I do have a $100 coupon. Where they do that at? Here. So make sure if you decide to buy this wig or any wig from the website, you use my coupon code to save you some coin. And that 20 inches, ooh, yeah, look, it's all the way down here past the chest. They give you the inches, so you know, I like that. But I think that's about it. It's time for me to step outside to the mailbox. Shout out one more time to RPGSHOW for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.